But when it's time to get the birds up, open some curtains first and talk to them a bit before you get them up so they know you're coming. Pull the cover carefully off the cage. Hello. And then anything that's fallen off, pop it back on. Check these cuttlefish are in securely. Turn off the little light and put that out of the way. And then take their water out to change it. And leave them in for a little while, so we'll come back in a bit to actually open the cage up. Okay, so they've had a few minutes in the cage and now they've got up and started moving around. Now Pete won't do this for everyone, but it's worth a go. So you lift the rope, open the door, and then if he's waiting there, he'll come out onto your finger, you can say hello, and then put him onto his rope there, and then you can carry on with the rest of the cage. So the two halves open, and then the wooden pole slots into the middle of the left-hand section and the front of the right-hand section, and then you slide it until it's firm. Then this bendy rope leads from the cage down to the sofa. So you lodge that on there and then use this bit of rope to tie it on. And they do like one of their seed dishes to be on the outside. Just open it a bit because they'll move it themselves if they want it outside. And that's it.